Okay, so what to do when we already have a curatorified repo? First of all, let's move into one of the repos. Cool. And as you can see, we have a .curator file. This means it has already been curatorified. We also have one main README and two READMEs, one for each of the languages. All the information to create these is found inside the templates folder. So let's open this up and have a look what we've got. So this, at the moment, just says it has been curatorified, and we also have our two READMEs with different information. This one links to both of those. So when you need to edit something inside the Ruby one, perhaps something is incorrect inside here, we go into the templates folder and we can have a look at the template file. Now, this line here, line 18, doesn't actually exist inside the templates file. Just because it is inside the file that gets scraped in. So we can open up each language specific folder and we will see a text file. So if we go back to the template, every time you see include text, it will go into these folders and scrape the information from the specific files. So if we go further down, we can also see include list. This will pop everything from inside the list files into the README. So we've also got include add and include delete. So if we wanted to change something from inside here, we know it's Ruby, so we can go into the Ruby folder and go and find where it was scraped from, which is the text folder. And here we go. So we can make an edit here, save that one. And when we run curator build, that will be popped into the Ruby README. So just to reiterate, do not edit any of the README files themselves. Either edit the template file if it's agnostic to the language, i.e. it's in the brief at the beginning, or anything that is not specific to Ruby or C#. If it is specific, have a look in these files and go and edit it there. Okay, so Ruby README doesn't have the existing edit. So we've got all those saved. Let's go back to terminal and get status. You can see we've edited that with our new edit. Cool. So we can do curator build. In this case, it's just Ruby. So we can just do RB. But we can also do -A, and that will build C# and Ruby. So let's run that. Sweet, success. Cool. And if we do git diff now, we'll see that inside the README for Ruby, we have also got the new edit. So you can commit that and push it up to GitHub, and they will have the new information on there.